So this is the bottom of our facing, and now we're going to overlock this bottom edge to do our hem, but we just need to stitch along here first. And you can see on the final sample how there's actually a row of stitching along this bottom fold here, and that's the row that we're going to do now. This is the bottom edge, this is our facing, our fold. We just need to fold back along that fold line that we have there, so make sure it's a nice crisp fold. Lift the foot up and use your tape measure to measure up the 3 centimeters. That's where we're going to start. Let's see, once you've got that point, just do a backpack along there and just keep that nice and even, 3 centimeters all the way along. So this is our other side, our front facing. Now we need to fold that back onto itself. And we already have our fold line there, so you can use that fold line. And you should be able to see the notch still as well. Measure up your 3 centimeters, get it into position. Keep these raw edges nice and even as you sew. And we just need to secure that edge there. And now we're going to overlock the hem before we bag out this corner. You can position it, you don't need to overlock all the way from the edge here because that's going to be inside, and it's going to be stitched. So we're just going to start just to secure this edge here. So we'll just put that under the foot and just start our overlocking there. And we've already pressed our seam, so this side seam has to go towards the back panel. Now just make sure that when you're going this way, this is the other side seam, you've already pressed it towards the back, so make sure that it doesn't flip forward because you'll get a twist in your seam. And when you're finishing this off, if you see that this is pushing over like this, you can lift the foot up, make sure that that's sitting tightly under the foot, and then just stitch a little bit, twist around and then run off. We'll also finish off our armholes, which we haven't overlocked before. So when we overlock our armholes, we'll overlock with the armhole on top. We're going to just push the sleeve out of the way and hop in here, and we're going to, from the underarm, we're going to overlock our armhole. And just watch, because we have the sleeve underneath, just make sure that you lift the fabric up every once in a while, just to make sure that you don't overlock any of the gathers off or anything. And around. Underarm. Okay, we also have to, this is our gathered sleeve, and we have the hem band here. So we're going to overlock with on the hem band side, because what that will do is that will help force this seam up, which means that the puff will go out. And turn this edge under, and you can start. So stitch with the band on top. And cross over the overlocking at the underarm seam and snip off the X. On the other side, the other armhole, again, start at the underarm, and we're going to overlock with the body on top and the sleeve underneath. So back around to the underarm, cross over the overlocking and snip off.